Now, let's go over how to add a new purchase into RIA. Essentially, what I'm going to do is grab my receipt from a thrift store trip that I did this week, and I'm going to go line by line on this receipt and add items into RIA. When creating a new purchase, there are two places that you can go in RIA to do so. The first one will be here on the dashboard. You can click on this plus sign button, and it'll take you to a new screen, and it'll be called New Purchase. If we go back and we look at the navigation bar down here in the second section, it'll be your items, and in your items in the right hand corner there's a plus sign button right here. If you click on that, it'll also take you to a new purchase. Now that we're at the new purchase screen, let's add in a new purchase. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pick our location. You can add a new location here by clicking add new location. You can hit done, and you can just start typing in whatever the name of the location was. So we'll say it was just thrift store. We hit done. There's that location right there. Or if you want, you can pick from a list of existing locations that you've already put into RIA. So we'll just say that we got stuff at the Goodwill thrift store. Hit done. There's our location. Now we're going to add how many items we bought. We bought 4 items. Hit done. Next, we're going to add in the costs, and we're saying that we spent $16 on this trip. And then let's add our purchase date. Our purchase date will always default to today's date, but if we need to go back, say we purchased something a couple days ago, we can. The only difference is that you just cannot move forward. So we'll hit done. Now we're ready to add the individual items to our new purchase. So you're going to click on add new item. You can either add a photo at this time by either taking a quick snapshot of it or pulling an image from your gallery. You can also do this at a later date, but I'll go to all photos and I'm going to choose this sweater. This was the first item that I purchased. So I'll hit choose. Now it comes up for my records, and then I'll put in the item name. So basically it's just going to be a description of what the sweater is. So it's a crew neck sweater, and our brand, as you can see here, as you go along you're going to start building a really large brand list. So you can either scroll or you can just type in the name of the brand. So we'll say that this sweater is from Madewell. Quickly pops up, highlight Madewell, click done. Next we're going to want to pick our category. We can either add a new category here, or we can scroll and look for our existing category. It's under sweaters. And what was our cost? We bought this sweater for $4. I'll hit done, then hit done, and that item has been added to my receipt. Now let's add in the remaining 3 pieces we have left for this purchase. So click on add. Again, I just happen to have the photos here, but you can always add the photos at a later date if you need to. So I'm choosing these shoes right here, and these were, again, just whatever I want my description to be. Woven shoes. My brand, these were Jeffrey Campbell. Click done. I'm going to go ahead and select my category. My category was shoes. And watch that remaining cost right there. When I type in $4, you'll see it's gone down to $8. It's just counting down what the remaining cost is on this receipt. That way, it's just like a way for you to check and make sure that your math is right by the time that you finish adding in all these pieces. So we're gonna say that these were some high-rise skinny jeans. And these were from Zara. Done. Now hit my category, search for my category. There it is, jeans. And we're going to add in our costs. We're going to say that we spent $4 on these. Hit done. So you can see everything is building here on my new purchase. Now let's add in our last piece. We're going to hit gallery again. And we're going to go ahead and pick this dress right here, choose. And the name or the description is just a plaid dress. We're going to select the brand. This was from Anthropologie. So Anthropologie, we're going to click done. Same thing here. It was a dress and our cost was $4. Now you can see my remaining cost is 0. That means that everything lines up and these 4 items are ready to be input into my inventory. So once that's done, you're going to hit finish and everything just beautifully appears there in your purchase tab. One last thing I want to go over is I want to show you when you're adding in a new item. If you don't have a photo, you don't have to add in a photo at this time, but say you just want to take a quick snapshot of what you have. So we'll just take a photo of this piece right here. Use photo. Our item name is going to be whatever the description is that we want it to be. So we're going to say this is a white purse. Select new brand. As you can see here, we have a lot of brands already uploaded, but you can always add in a new brand at any time. So we're just going to say this is ABC brand. Category, if you don't have a purse category, you can always add in a new category. Purse, done, and the cost is the same. It's just our cost. We tried really hard to make everything as simple as possible and as user-friendly for anybody who's working in RIA. Thank you so much for watching this video.